This looks so good. This is absolutely my favorite blue color. Oh, look at that. And the exhaust sound. Let's put it into N mode or in custom. Clutch in. Wait for a car warm up and let's go for my first car wash. This car drives nicely, you know, not that stiff, not that loud. I mean, you can hear sometimes that it is not very normal daily driver. When windows and everything closed, then you don't really notice anything. Just normal car, unless you see this button, right? You know what it does. Brings some fun. Let's go into custom because I leave my suspension to soft because we are not on the track and the road is bumpy sometimes. But you can hear already. So let's go for a drive. When you drive it in normal mode and you don't rip the car, the fuel consumption is fine. I mean, it's okay. It's not great, but it's okay. It's 10-ish kilometers per liter. It's Korean measurement. It's a measurement I got used to. But when you start ripping this car, eats like a monster. It really does eat like a monster. So start with water and take it out because it's gonna continue to withdraw the money. Snow foam. Let's wait a little bit. Start with the roof. Alright, so we've got most of the water out now.